Good morning. This is Dr. P. Krishnamurthy. Today we are going to discuss about IoT, security and privacy issues. In the Internet of Things, we have various issues like security and privacy issues. In the firstly, IoT is having a different possible way to connect different products. There is an electronic device we are going to connect, so we can have some data transmission here remotely. So uh, some of the issues we are having is like IoT is essentially dependent trust only we are going to use it in any applications we are going to use it. And security, broad definitions we have like healthcare and well-being, different form of protections we are going to use. So like encryption of the data or hiding of data or different devices we are going to use, like a car, mobile, laptop, cameras, different things we are using in we are fetching the data that will be transmitted to one another. So here the IoT data will be collected and transmitted through different gateways we are going to use to some other medium. See here, we have some threads like unauthorized persons maybe access our data. Some issues we are going to have it. So the objectives are not currently focused upon seeking a specific IoT measures to detect cybercrime, warfare, not terrorism. So the thing is, yeah, we are going to have it. So the future of IoT is not only influenced by users. Here, the potential autonomy of IoT or a lack of control over by IoT, those it impact will doubtless generating IoT adoptions. Resistance potentially manifested by public protest, negative publicity campaigns and actions by governments. In reality, privacy encompasses the interest of individuals, informal groups, and including all forms of organizations, and therefore complex multidimensional subject. So we have it RFID as a thing as we are using. So here, security and privacy issues in RFT IREC active chain 5 is across a project activity focused on value contributed in IoT privacy. In government of IO, common agreed definitions of governance of IoT is here we have it. So here, the overall layered approach is we have iCore project is provided. The first cognitive management layer is responsible for managing the VOs throughout their life cycle, ensure reliability of the link to the real world object or entity we are using that. So here we are control the goods in various specifications like tracking systems we are going to use through uh, uh, the layer. The second layer is a cognitive management layer. The third level is uh, uh, responsible interaction with user or a stakeholder. So cognitive management framework also included here in the second level of the cognitive layer. Okay, see here the structure is given here. So first thing is perception layer, and then network layer, middleware layer, and then application layer, and then business layer we have. So in the first layer as a sensors we are using to collect the data, various nodes we can collect our data. So the service level agreements we are using to collect the data in different workplaces. So here the layers and other systems will be used to collect the data in the through networks security wise. Some challenges we have in this IoT. See here, the first elements are here we are indicated: personal acquisition and local storage, and then anonymized data discovery, policy based access control, secure distributed query processings, we have it. Security components, we have it. Authentication, uh, to up to authentication n. So number of people we have it. So IM, TRA, and KEM we are having it. So the goal of a Butler project is creation of an experimental technical platform to support the development of IoT. So Butler approach is horizontally. So here we are using the standard issue of data security, both at data storage level as at the communication level exist in IoT applications. So here the applications enabled by the Internet of Things may pose additional privacy issues in the use of in the use that is made of this data. So here we have a specification. Smart city technology provide different optimization mechanism for different aspect of data management. Previously, it is indicated like that. So access control and privacy is some issues we have in various places that it will be hidden. Here some attackers, how they are attacking in multiple layers. So here manipulate the sensor measurement to infiltrate the system with the wrong data, like a caution certain actions. So attacks happen in a sensor and actuator uh, going to collect the data. So attacks or impersonate network components to act as a man in the middle maybe happen. So we are find out where it has happened in the multiple layer or at some other layers. We are going to find out that here the major properties of SOS is like a system of system here, especially for application field, are those intended in the smart D projects, dependent security and privacy issues. So availability, reliability, safety, integrity, and maintainability. We are using that. There is a limited theory on how to SOS should be managed. Here we are using that. Security authentication and access control in constrained devices, we are using that. State of the art present lips, lightweight security protocols, we are using that. Smarty approach, the vision of Smarty, that is Smarty as secure and smart cities data management, we are going to use distributive frameworks. So the frameworks will be find it out. So this is the layer of here we are having IoT layers, smart requirements. So in the first layer, first level applications, second level information service, third network, and then fourth one smart object. So in the requirement, authentication, authorization, and then information services, we have privacy protection and policy management. Third one, security computation. Last one, objects. In objects, we have different specification mechanisms. Those things are come under there. In various smart city and transportation specifications, we have some issues. So the following issues and challenges we have it. Thank you. The session will end now.